Yes, student, let us start the next topic, trigonometric table. First of all, we'll going to understand trigonometric table. We have values of trigonometric ratios, the 6 trigonometric ratios at some particular angles, that is 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. Now let us see how the values can be calculated. First of all, we're going to find the value of sine. For this, what you have to do? You have to write 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Since we have the last number 4, we're going to divide all the numbers by 4. 4, 4, 4 and 4. And take the square root of all of them. And then we're going to do the calculation and write the main values. When we divide 0 by any number, we get 0. It means we get under root 0. And 0 is the number which never remain under the under root. So, we can say the value of sine 0 degree is 0. This is the value of sine 0 degree. 1 upon 4. There is no division between 1 upon 4. Under root of 1 upon 4 means 1 is in under root as well as 4. 1, 0 and 1 never remains under the under root. So it will come out of the under root. 4 can be written as 2 into 2. It means we have the pair of 2. So it will come out of the square root. So we get the value of sine 30 degree as 1 upon 2. The value of sine 30 degree is 1 upon 2. Next, here we can do the cancellation. 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4. In the under root, we have 1 at the numerator and 2 at the denominator. So 1 never remain in the under root, so it will come out. And 2. 2 is a number which does not form pair of any number, so it will remain in the root only. So we'll get the value of sine 45 degree equal to 1 upon root 2. So this is the value of sine 45 degree. Here 3 and 4, there is no division between both of them. 3, the factor of 3 cannot be possible, so 3 will remain within the root. And 4, the factor of 4 are 2 into 2. Both are forming the pair, so 2 will come out of the under root. Therefore, we can say the value of sine 60 degree is root 3 by 2. This is the value of sine 60 degree. 4 upon 4, both will be cancelled. We get 1 and 1 never remain in the under root, so 1 will come out. So it means the value of sine 90 degree is 1. So student, we have calculated sine 0 degree 0, sine 30 degree 1 upon 2, sine 45 degree 1 upon root 2, sine 60 degree root 3 by 2, sine 90 degree 1. So you can either calculate like this or you can learn by heart. By calculating the value of sine, the other values can be calculated. When we have to find the value of cos, we'll proceed from backward. So this will become the value of cos 0 degree. Then write it over here, root 3 by 2. Then this will remain same, 1 upon root 2. This value right over here and this is it. It means cos 0 degree is 1, cos 30 degree is root 3 by 2, cos 45 degree is 1 by root 2, cos 60 is 1 upon 2, cos 90 degree is 0. Now for finding the value of 10 means 10 can be written as the ratio of sine upon cos. In the form of sine upon cos, 10 can be written. So when we have to find the value of 10, it means we have to put the value of sine at the numerator and the value of cos at denominator and do the calculation. So sine is at the numerator, cos is at the denominator. For finding the value of 0, we have 0 upon 1. 0 upon 1. It means this will give the value 0. Here 1 upon 2. Then at the upon we have root 3 upon 2. 2 and 2 will be cancelled. We will get 1 upon root 3. The value of tan 30 degree will be 1 upon root 3. Here we have 1 upon root 2 upon 1 upon root 2. Both will be cancelled. So we get the value 1. Here we have root 3 upon 2 divided by 1 upon 2. So 2 and 2 denominator will be cancelled. So we get root 3 upon 1. So no need to write the denominator 1. Here we have 1 upon 0. Since we cannot divide any number by 0, so here we get the value infinite. It is also called as not defined, because it is not possible to divide any number by 0. So this is called as not defined, and it is denoted by infinity, symbol of infinity. Now for finding the value of cosec, sec, cot, we can use this value. Cosec is the converse of sine. Cosec is the converse of sine. As we have learned, cosec is equal to 1 upon sine. So what we're going to do, we're going to write 1 at the numerator of the values of sine. So this will be 1 upon 0. 1 upon 0 means infinite. Here 1 upon 1 upon 2. So 2 will come at the numerator. This will give the value 2. Here 1 upon root 2. This point you have to understand, we are putting 1 at the numerator. So root 2 will come at the numerator. We get root 2. Here 1 upon root 3 upon 2. 2 will come at the numerator. 2 upon root 3. Here 1 upon 1. It will be equal to 1. So these are the values for cosec. For finding the value of sec, you can reverse this value. We will take it over here 1. This will be 2 by root 3. This will be root 2. This is 2 and this is infinite. For finding the value of cot, we'll take the value of 10. You can reverse it. Infinite, then root 3, then 1 upon root 3, and at the last 0. So student, this way you can frame the trigonometric table and you can apply it. But it will be better to learn it by heart. Now let us do one question based on it. Evaluate. Evaluate means we have to find the value of sine 60 degree cos 30 degree plus sine 30 degree cos 60 degree. So what we have to do, we have to put the value. The value of sine 60 degree. Sine 60 degree is root 3 by 2. So in place of this, we're going to write the value root 3 by 2. The value of cos 30 degree. Cos 30 degree, if you will see in the table, cos 30 degree, it is also root 3 by 2. So in place of it, we're going to write root 3 by 2 plus the value of sine 30, we will find 1 upon 2. The value of cos 60 is also 1 upon 2. Now we have to do the multiplication. Root 3 and root 3 after multiplying will change into 3 because their root will be removed. 2 into 2 will be 4, and here we have 1 into 1 1 and 2 into 2 4. Take the LCM. We get 4 at the denominator. 3 plus 1. 3 plus 1 will be changed. After addition, give 4, and 4 upon 4 means 1. So here we get the value of this combination equal to 1. So student, you can solve any problem based on trigonometric table. What you have to do, you have to substitute the value and you have to do the basic calculation work. Thank you.